Are you tired of watching your competitors rake in customers while your small business struggles to get noticed online? What if I told you that with just a few strategic digital marketing moves, you could triple your leads in the next 90 days without spending a fortune on advertising? Today, I'm sharing the exact playbook that helped over 2,000 small business owners transform their struggling ventures into profit-generating machines. Let me start with a story that might sound familiar. Sarah owned a local bakery that made incredible custom cakes, but despite having the best product in town, she was barely breaking even. Her website looked like it was built in 2005, her social media had 12 followers, and most people didn't even know her business existed. Sound like your situation?
Well, after implementing the strategies I'm about to share with you, Sarah's monthly revenue jumped from $3,000 to $15,000 in just 4 months.
The brutal truth is that having an amazing product or service means absolutely nothing if nobody knows about it. In today's digital world, your online presence is your storefront, your salesperson, and your brand ambassador all rolled into one. But here's the good news. You don't need a massive budget or a marketing degree to compete with the big players.
Let's dive into the first game-changing strategy that most small businesses completely ignore.
Your website is not just a digital business card. It's your most powerful sales tool. But 9 out of 10 small business websites are actually driving customers away instead of converting them. Here's what you need to fix immediately. First, your website must load in under 3 seconds. Studies show that every additional second of loading time reduces conversions by 7%. If your site takes 5 seconds to load, you're losing nearly a quarter of potential customers before they even see your content. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to check your loading time and compress your images, minimize plugins, and consider upgrading your hosting if necessary. Second, your value proposition must be crystal clear within 5 seconds of someone landing on your homepage. Visitors should instantly understand what you do, who you serve, and why they should choose you over competitors. Replace generic phrases like quality service with specific benefits like custom wedding cakes delivered fresh in 24 hours with zero upfront payment required. Third, implement social proof everywhere. Customer testimonials, review badges, case studies, and client logos build trust instantly. But don't just slap up generic testimonials. Use specific stories with real names, photos, and measurable results. Instead of great service, highly recommend. Use John helped us increase our online sales by 40% in 2 months, and his response time is incredible. Now, let's talk about the marketing channel that delivers the highest return on investment for small businesses. Email marketing. While everyone obsesses over social media, email consistently generates $38 for every dollar spent. But most small businesses are doing email marketing completely wrong. Stop sending boring newsletters that nobody wants to read. Instead, create email sequences that provide genuine value while subtly promoting your services. Here's a simple framework that works every time. Start with a welcome sequence for new subscribers that delivers immediate value, maybe a checklist, guide, or exclusive discount. Then send weekly emails that follow the 80-20 rule, 80% valuable content, 20% promotional. For example, if you run a fitness studio, don't just send class schedules. Share workout tips, nutrition advice, success stories from members, and behind-the-scenes content. When you do promote your services, make it feel natural and helpful rather than pushy. The key is building relationships before asking for sales. Here's where most small businesses make a critical mistake with their email strategy.
They wait until they have hundreds of subscribers before starting.
Wrong approach.
Start collecting emails from day 1, even if you only get 5 subscribers per month.
Those early subscribers are often your most engaged customers because they found you organically. Social media is another powerful tool, but success requires strategy, not just posting random content. Each platform serves different purposes, and trying to be everywhere dilutes your impact. Choose one or two platforms where your ideal customers spend time and dominate those spaces.
LinkedIn works incredibly well for business-to-business services.
Share industry insights, comment thoughtfully on posts from potential clients, and publish articles that showcase your expertise. The key is providing value before pitching your services. Instagram excels for visual businesses like restaurants, retail stores, salons, and creative services. Focus on behind-the-scenes content, customer transformations, and user-generated content. Stories are particularly powerful for building personal connections with your audience. Facebook remains effective for local businesses serving consumers.
Join local community groups, share helpful content, and use Facebook events to promote workshops or special offers.
The algorithm favors content that generates genuine engagement, so focus on starting conversations rather than just broadcasting messages. Here's a content strategy that works across all platforms. Document, don't create. Instead of trying to produce perfect polished content, simply document what you're already doing. Show your work process, share client success stories, explain common problems you solve, and provide quick tips related to your industry. This approach is authentic, requires minimal extra time, and positions you as an expert while humanizing your brand. People buy from businesses they know, like, and trust, and documenting your daily work accelerates that relationship-building process. Search engine optimization might sound technical, but local SEO for small businesses is actually straightforward.
Start with Google My Business. Claim and optimize your listing with accurate information, high-quality photos, and encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews.
Respond to all reviews professionally, even negative ones. Create location-specific content on your website. If you're a plumber in Austin, write blog posts about common plumbing issues in Austin homes, local building codes, or seasonal maintenance tips for Texas weather.
This helps you rank for searches like Austin Plumber or Plumber Near Me.
Consistency beats perfection in digital marketing. It's better to post one valuable piece of content weekly for a year than to post daily for a month and then disappear. Your audience needs to see your brand regularly to remember you when they're ready to buy. Track your results obsessively. Use Google Analytics to monitor website traffic, email platform analytics to track open rates and clicks, and social media insights to understand what content resonates. Don't guess what's working. Let the data guide your decisions. Most importantly, focus on one strategy at a time. The biggest mistake small business owners make is trying to implement everything simultaneously. Pick one area, maybe email marketing or social media. Master it over 3 months, then add another channel. Remember Sarah from the beginning? She started with just fixing her website and collecting email addresses. Once that generated consistent leads, she added Instagram to showcase her cake creations. Then she optimized her Google My Business listing. Each step built on the previous one, creating momentum rather than overwhelm. Your digital marketing success won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and the right strategies, you'll see results faster than you expect.
Small businesses actually have advantages over large corporations. You can move quickly, provide personalized service, and build genuine relationships with customers.
The question isn't whether digital marketing works for small businesses. It's whether you'll take action on what you've learned today. Pick one strategy from this video, implement it this week, and start building the online presence your business deserves. Your future customers are searching for solutions you provide right now. Make sure they can find you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your biggest small business challenge.